In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from QuickBooks Online, step by step. Whether you're tidying up your account or managing your team's access, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which can be found in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This icon is your gateway to various account settings and management features, so it's essential to know where it is to perform various tasks within QuickBooks. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu with a host of options that allow you to personalize and manage different aspects of your account. Among the options in this drop-down menu, you'll need to select Manage Users. This selection is crucial because it takes you directly to the section where all users associated with your account are listed. Once you're in the Manage Users view, you'll see a comprehensive list displaying all the users who currently have access to your QuickBooks account. This list gives you an overview of who can enter your financial data and perform tasks within the application, offering vital insight into access levels and permissions. With the list of users displayed, the next step is to identify the particular user you want to remove from your system. Once you've found the user in question, look for a small caret icon that appears alongside their name. Clicking on this icon will provide you with a drop-down menu containing different actions you can take for this user. At this stage, it is essential to ensure that you are selecting the correct user, as the actions taken can directly impact their access to QuickBooks. In this drop-down menu, you will see the Delete option. Go ahead and select Delete to remove the user. It's as simple as that. By doing this, you're revoking their access to your QuickBooks data, ensuring that they can no longer log in or make any changes. Remember, deleting a user is a permanent action, so double-check that you are removing the right person. It's always good practice to review any permissions or access issues beforehand to avoid accidentally restricting access for a user who needs it. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully removed a user from your QuickBooks Online account. This process is straightforward, yet a powerful way to manage who has access to your valuable information. Keeping your user list up to date is not just about organization. It's a crucial part of maintaining the security and integrity of your financial data. Feel free to revisit these steps as often as necessary to ensure that only the right people have access to your QuickBooks account. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out.